So let me show you how you can create AI influencers and also earn money almost immediately with these influencers. So it works in two ways. You can create simple, unforgettable AI influencers without showing your face, and you can turn these influencers into simple videos, post them online, and stand a chance of earning money. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is you want to come to this website called Higgsfield. So I'll put a link in the description and you can create an account. And what we want to do is we want to use this new feature called the AI Influencer Studio. But if you come here, there are a lot of things you can do on Higgsfield, like you can create images, edit the images, use different AI models to achieve any kind of AI things that you want. If you come to videos, you can create different kind of videos using different AI models. If you come to cinema studio, you can do cinematic things. But now we want to do this AI influencer that just currently came out. And these influencers, they are going to be taking over the internet soon. And if you want to do something like this, if you want to create an influencer without showing your face and everything, this is the way to go about it. So if I come here, I click on AI Influencer Studio, I'll be able to give this AI what I want, and it's going to build an avatar or a character for me. So here you can see the different kind of characters we have. We have this one, Skylar, Paris, Dorian, Amy, a whole lot of them. If you come here, you see even more, and you can just choose any of them. You can choose any of them that you want right here. But also you can also upload or create a new one for yourself, which we are going to try to do in this video. So you can create a new one and build it as you want. So if you come down here, you see different things that you can select. You can select the gender of your influencer, and here you can select even the ethnicity or the origin of your influencer. So if you want an African influencer, an Asian influencer, European influencer, Indian, Middle Eastern, and mixed, here you can select their skin color. So you can basically build things that will be just custom to you, things that nobody can actually recreate. Here you can change the eye colors, how you want it to be, and all of that. If you come here, you can also change the skin condition. If you want it to have this kind of pigmentation, the birthmarks, freckles, scars, burns, you can do all those kind of things just to create your own personal influencer style. So you can select the age here, and then if you turn on the advanced settings, you can do even more things like the face, the body, the style. You can select the eye type, the eye details, the mouth, the teeth, the horn, the facial expression, the surface pattern, and all of that. So you can use this for free, and I'll put a link in the description so you can use it if you want to use it. But if I come to prompt here, I can give it a prompt and it's going to build a personal one for me. So I have this one from ChatGPT. So let me copy it. So I have this prompt from ChatGPT, and the avatar or character that I want to create is the silent luxury muse. So I have the prompt, so I'm just going to paste it right here. So if I paste the prompt, what I want is a hyper realistic AI luxury muse with understated elegancy, calm, composed expression, neutral gaze, blah, 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 a lot of things. So this is going to be very custom to me. So I can just come here, click on create, and I'm going to give it some time to create it, because as you can see, this is a new feature and a lot of people are currently using it. So you might just have to wait a little, but my own is processing. So I'm going to pause this video and we'll continue when the generation is ready. Or while we wait for it, you can come here and select, let's say you like this one, you can just select it and then give it a motion that will be custom to you. And after that, I'll show you how you can upload it directly, and Higgsfield will pay you money for uploading these videos on different social media platforms. So I'm going to show you another dashboard where you can do that. Our AI influencer is ready here. So this is her, called Donny, but I can regenerate it if I wanted to, and then I can edit it using Google Nano Banana. Let's say I do not like some things here, I can edit it directly, but here I can also animate it or give it a motion so that it becomes a moving influencer or a live influencer. And here we can save it as our influencer cover. So top here you can download it, you can open it and all of that, but let's animate it because influencers are supposed to have live. So want it to have live, so you can just come here, click on this video icon so that you can give it motion. So we have different kind of motions here that we can generate. So far you can click on explore more and you should be able to see more. So if I click more, I can now find different motions that I can give to it so that it can use that motion as I want. So I'm just going to scroll through and find the one that I like. I really don't know why I decided to do this very one. So I'm just going to use this one because I think this one is very natural and all of that. So I'm going to select this one, and after that I'm just going to say generate. So our AI influencer is now ready. This is the one we created. You can play it. So you see that it has taken the motion of the one we have right here. All right. So the advantage to this, or the reason why you are doing this, is so that you can have consistent AI influencer character. So anytime you want to create content, you don't need to change it. So as you can see, this is actually very realistic and high quality. So I can download it and my AI influencer is ready without doing much job, just a prompt and a simple click and we are ready to go. If you do not like it, you can rerun it here, or you can even delete it if you do not want it. So now we now have an influencer and AI influencer. I'm going to show you how you can now upload these influencers to the platform and how you can actually make money from it. So this is our Donny now. Donny is our AI and we have it ready. Again, if you wanted to do any other one, if you wanted to use any other one, you can use any other one like Dorian. Let's say you wanted to do Dorian, you can just select Dorian, and this is Dorian here. It's an octopus, it's male. You can change it and you can see the eye and everything, how they built it. You can also give it its own motion, or you can edit it from here. So let's say we want this stuff to have some kind of motion, you can try it again and you can give it different motions as you want. So I'm not going to do that because we've already done that. So let me just show you how you can upload what you've created and actually make money using online platforms. So if you come to the End tab here, so to actually start making money with this, you have to come to the End tab. So and here what you need to do is you need to connect either your Instagram or your YouTube to this platform, and then you can upload your video here. So they will automatically track this video depending on the engagement and the views that you get, and they will pay you. So if you want to use YouTube or Instagram, you just select anyone. So I'm going to use YouTube in this case, and I can just click continue. So here I'm going to put the address that I want to use to access this website. In my case, I'm going to use the same address as my Higgsfield email address. So I'm just going to put the email address right here. So you click on continue. A code will be sent to your email that you need to verify. So you want to verify your email and you should be inside of the platform. So after verifying your email, you get this pop-up and you can see how it works, but we already know how it works. So we are going to close this pop-up, and this is the Higgsfield Earn, and here you can create AI generated videos and images with Higgsfield and post them across your social channels and get paid. So currently there are no campaigns yet, but they launch campaigns, and in these campaigns you can basically just upload the AI videos that you've created, and then depending on the engagement, they are going to pay you money. So from time to time, you come to this Higgsfield Earn and you see the campaigns that they've uploaded. And from these campaigns, you can just create videos and publish them, post them on Instagram or YouTube, and they are going to pay you for that depending on the engagement you get on the videos. Currently, there are no campaigns available now, but there will be campaigns shortly. So you want to check this and also check out for your email. So this is how you can create AI influencers and post them online to actually start making money immediately. So it is Higgsfield themselves that will pay you for posting these videos. So it's not YouTube, it's not Instagram. And the way you receive this payment is through a payment system called Ghana. I already made a video about that and you can check it out. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.